Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the full subscription list or recurring payment list on PayPal. So once you have logged into your PayPal account, you have to go to Account Settings. And under it you will be able to see Money Banks and Cards. So click on Money Banks and Cards. Then it will load all details of your connected debit or credit cards, your bank account. You can see all the details other than the currency account, and just below that, the last one will be pre-approved payments. So need to click on Manage Pre-Approved Payments. And by the way, I have a different video as well. There are two ways to change it. So I will put the link down below in the description if you want to try that method. So this is the easiest method. We can see in all the transactions at the same time. So we can sort it, view all this active. So if you want to just look for an active one, so just click active. And it'll show you all the active one, and if you want to cancel it, you just have to click the company that you want to cancel, and there is an option called status, and exactly now. You just have to click cancel. So it will pop up and will come asking just to confirm. You can see now it's that status is showing us cancelled. So they were not able to take any payment going forward unless you reconnect it again. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So please do subscribe to our channel.
Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.